Which cymbals are the best? Well, that's kind of a bold question, wouldn't you think? Ultimately, I think it's up to your taste and what you prefer to use. There are a lot of companies out there doing some really cool things. I myself am a Sabian guy. I love Sabian cymbals. When I started playing drums, Sabian was the first brand that I used. Over the years, I've been all over the place though, trying every brand on the market pretty much. I was searching for the best sound. In the end, I went full circle and ended up back at Sabian. So I'm going to break down for y'all what I use and what preferred sound I'm looking for out of my cymbals. But first, if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button. I'm a big fan of HHX, Artisan, and AAX. I really like their ozones. To me, they offer the perfect amount of explosion with a real quick decay. Let's take a look at my setup on my kit here in the studio. Then let's take a look at my setup on my kit at the theater. So we're going to start over here to my right, and I have an AAX 18-inch ISO crash. So as you can see, it's got those little ozone holes in it to kind of make it explode when I crash the cymbal. Coming over here, I have a 22-inch, and that is an Artisan medium ride. Now this ride is absolutely phenomenal. It's got a nice crisp attack. It's got very good stick tip definition, and then I can also wash it out, and I'll give you guys some demos of all this stuff. This is just a little 10-inch splash. That's the AAX Aero splash. So it's real quick. It's there, then it's gone. Love it. 18-inch over here. That is going to be my Artisan 18-inch crash. Coming down over here to the hi-hats, we have 14-inch medium AAX hats. Those are non-brilliant. Then over here, I'm going to have this AAX ozone. It is also an 18-inch. That's just the standard ozone crash. So let's get to rocking. Show y'all some demos. All right, so here I am at the theater, and I'm going to give you a breakdown on what cymbals I have on this monster kit behind me. So we're going to start here to my right, and this is a 19-inch HHX Complex Ozone China. Then we're going to move up to this guy, which is also a 19-inch HHX Complex Thin Crash. Come over here to my ride, which is a 22-inch HH medium ride. Now this ride is real crisp, so I can wash it out a little bit, but it is mainly for attack and detail. This up here is going to be a 19-inch HHX complex ozone. Over here, my favorite, Artisan 18-inch crash. Then I come over here and I have an HHX 18-inch evolution ozone. Down here to a 12-inch mini holy china. Then I got a 10-inch AAX splash and an 8-inch AAX splash. And then down to my 14-inch Artisan hi-hats. These things are super crisp and they have a really good wash on them. So now I'm going to give you guys some samples. Well guys, how do you think they sounded? What's your favorite brand to use? Let me know in the comments. I'm always down to exploring new sounds. Once again, thanks for watching this video. And if you wouldn't mind, please hit subscribe. You can also follow me on all social media platforms at bdags79. Peace!